Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rednote app sign up problem. So, maybe some of you are going to be having a problem signing up within the app. So it is going to be very occurring, and also it is going to happen in the cases that you haven't, or the updates has been launched live at the moment that you're going to upload, not the upload, but sign up into the app. So we're going to make sure that at least we have the update. So we're going to either are going to have the iOS phone or an Android phone, head over your App Store or your Play Store. Then we are going to head over the search, type in the name of the app, which is going to be Rednote, and make sure that we do not have the update instead of the open button. If we do have the open, that means that it is going to be updated. And in case you have, let's say, updated your app and it is going to open up normally and everything is okay, that means that you cannot have something added aside from the update that you're going to find. Now, let's put this apart. Let's say that we have the update and the app is installed and we cannot sign up. So it is going to be a problem with the memory cache of the app. So if you're going to be on Android, you can head over the app manager, then you're going to head over the parameters of the app and clean the cache or the memory cache. But if you're going to be on iOS, you need to here uninstall the app by clicking on delete the app, and then you're going to install it again from the App Store. So that was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.